Well, there goes my stimulus check. But I finally found it, the perfect seat for the 2020 Lowrider S. The Gambler by Whiplash Speed Company. They call themselves Whiplash because you're going to break your neck every time you turn around and look at your seat. And every gambler knows, the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away and knowing what to keep. Whiplash did an amazing job at crafting a seat that makes a statement without being too loud. This saddle adds the perfect amount of brown contrast that complements the Lowrider S. Now let's see if it's comfortable. Alright, so I just got some things from Target. Let's go on a ride and talk about comfort. So is the Whiplash Gambler seat comfortable? So first impressions when I got the seat was that it felt a little stiff, which is expected when you're getting a new motorcycle seat. And I think I've put over 100 miles on the seat so far, and it's starting to break in. And it's actually pretty comfortable. This seat doesn't have that bucket shape where the sides kind of flare up and you're in there like a touring seat style. I was coming from the Sundowner seat, so it doesn't scoop you in quite the same, but it does have that little back support. So when I speed up or hit those higher speeds, I feel like I get pushed back into it and I'm supported. Now, if you're a more aggressive rider and you've come from something like a Saddleman, I think the Saddleman has a more aggressive angular step up. So compared to the Saddleman, which has more of that angular step up, this is going to be a more gentle slope. And if you're looking into getting the Whiplash Gambler, you can also add that gripper material similar to the Saddleman. I didn't add that. I wanted to stick with just the traditional look and all leather and all the stitching, and I was just looking for a nice all leather seat. And to be honest with you, when I got this seat, I was looking for something that went with the bike, matched the colors. And what I really like about the Whiplash Gambler is how easy it is to go online and customize everything you want, down to the stitching, the stitch pattern. And the color, so you can really make it your own. Now the quality is just top notch. As you can see, the double stitching and the color, I really like that it has almost like a vintage finish. It doesn't look brand new, it looks more aged. And that was the look I was going for. See, I'm hitting those high RPMs and I'm sliding back into it. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall out this seat. But like I said, I don't have as much side support as my Sundowner seat. And I have yet to take my lady on the back, so I don't have her review yet on which one feels more comfortable. But I'm pretty sure the Sundowner is gonna win, because if you've seen the padding on that one, it's pretty thick. I guess the only complaint I have about this seat was that it was a little bit difficult to put on. It was hard to slide on that little groove in the front and get it locked in. And I kind of had to hold it down and screw it in place. But I think since it was brand new, maybe it got warped in the heat. I'm not really sure, but it's all good now. It's in there. It fits nice. I definitely need to get one of those locking screws because I don't want to get this seat stolen. So if you're looking for a seat where you have so many custom options, I would definitely consider Whiplash. And I would highly recommend the Gambler seat. I'm really happy with the aesthetics and the way it looks on the bike and the whole color scheme. I guess one thing I can say is that it does feel a little wider for some reason than the Sundowner seat. I also like how the front of the seat covers that little screw that was right here. With the Sundowner seat, that screw was exposed, which is kind of tacky. So this looks a lot better, which is probably why it was hard to put in, because you gotta like lock it down and slide it up. But the seat totally changes the look of the bike, and got a lot of compliments on it. Some people at work think I got a new bike, because I did. My Sundowner wasn't that ugly. You know, definitely with these handlebars and the new seat, the bike has a different vibe. I love the position of it. I feel like I could just cruise anywhere. So no complaints here. 10 out of 10 would recommend. One of my favorite things when the seat came was when you open it for the first time, it had like such a good smell to it. It didn't smell like, you know, like a cheap factory or something like that. It smelled like high quality. I don't know how to describe that to you. I wish YouTube had smell-o-vision, but man, when I opened that bag for the first time, even the seat now, it has just like a nice, fresh, brand new leather smell to it. Yeah, a bag would be good. Thank you. Awesome, thank you. You too. For a second, guys, I was like, oh man, where's my helmet? But I'm wearing it. So this is a Kurakin bag. Highly recommend. Will allow you to do amazing milk tea boba trips like this. Gotta make sure they got the sealed top though. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this seat. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And if I have any updates in the future, I'll let you guys know. Like if the seat, you know, just falls apart on me or starts making my ass hurt, I'll definitely update you guys. But I'm gonna go sip on this milk tea and edit this video. You guys have a good one. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.